Linear beam smoke detector installation. This is a detector emitting a beam of infrared light that senses smoke. A receiving reflection plate needs to be installed on the opposite side. The two of them should be used together. The maximum detection distance between the detector and the reflector should not be greater than 100 meters. So, linear beams of smoke detector is suitable for some places with large spaces, like the lobby, atrium, some tall factories, etc., tall spaces without obstruction above. Generally, the beam smoke detector should be installed at place with 0.3 meters and 1 meter of vertical height from the top. And the height from the ground should not exceed 20 meters. When multiple sets of linear beam smoke detectors are installed, the distance between them should not be greater than 14 meters. If the detector is at both ends, it should not be less than 0.5 meters and greater than 7 meters from the wall. The maximum detection distance between the detector and reflector is 100 meters. The beam smoke detector basic working principle. When a fire occurs, smoke rises. Then reach a certain smoke concentration and block this beam of light. It will report a fire alarm. Transfer to the automatic fire alarm host.